Hey, Herman Hartman here, JanitorialMarketing.tips. I'm the president of business development. Hey, still on the move, man. Generating business, taking care of the business. HLHJ Enterprises, Hartman's Building Solutions, JanitorialMarketing.tips. It's all the same, but it's different, right? So HLHJ Enterprises is the parent company, the brain, the mother of them all. All right, Hartman's Building Solutions is the service company. All right, and Janitorial Marketing is the marketing company. Hey, right now I'm in the field doing some work for Hartman's Building Solutions, but the work that I'm doing allows me to promote and talk about JM Tips, because JM Tips is the reason why Hartman's Building Solution is successful, and it is also the fuel that fires Hartman's Building Solutions, and it could also be the fuel to fire your janitorial service. If you think you're gonna make $1 million just by cleaning offices, you're wrong. If you think you're gonna make $1 million just by cleaning houses, you're wrong. If you think you're gonna make $1 million just by having a business, you're wrong. I'm gonna just keep it real with you. If you out there just jumped into a cleaning business and just say, oh, I'm gonna start a cleaning business, I know you're stuck. I know you're stuck because it doesn't work like that. You have to have a plan, you gotta know what you're doing, and you gotta execute your plan, right? I can help you. I can show you how to start and how to grow a cleaning business and how to market your cleaning business. But you're gonna have to follow me, you have to join me. You're gonna have to do the things that I'm doing. It's not for everybody. Join JanitorialMarketing.tips. Join Hartman's Building Solutions. We show you how to set up your business, how to start a cleaning business, how to market a cleaning business, and how to manage a cleaning business. So join me. Yeah, you're going to have to join my team. You're going to have to help me as I help you, help me. All right? That's how it works.